Today's episode of Fun with Cars. We have a 2014 Mustang, and we are replacing the strut assembly with basically a quick strut. That means everything is already put together. All I have to do is basically unbolt this thing and put it back into place. I've already, as you can see, taken the wheel off. Yeah, I know my camera work kind of stinks. But I've loosened the bolts here at the bottom of the strut. I've loosened the bolt for the, I guess this is the stabilizer bar link, I guess. I think that's what that is. Took the little Christmas tree deal out for the brake line. Took the 10mm bolt out for the brake line for when we drop. The spindle, it won't pull the brake lines and damage those. I've also loosened the 13mm bolts at the top. So now it's just a matter of taking this puppy off. I would show you the actual process, but being that I only have two hands and it's going to take both of them, I guess I'll show you what we did after we get it back together. And I'm going to do this test drive because now it looks like I'm working against a storm. And as you can see, we are in the great outdoors. So, yeah. All right. We'll see you in a bit. Peace.